हाय आई एम कुणाल रागिनवार। तो येस्टरडे एज आई वॉज ट्रैवलिंग हम देख नहीं पाए इंट्राडे अपडेट, सो वील हैव अ लुक एट दैट टुडे। उसके बाद व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड एग्जैक्टली आज एंड व्हाट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट फॉर टुमारो। तो हम कल की बात करेंगे, आज की बात करेंगे और कल जो एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे उसकी भी बात करेंगे, ठीक है। सो बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, please share, like and subscribe to the channel if you want daily updates and for positional views over the weekend. So now, welcome to the Game Changers. Let's start. So yesterday there was a big gap up. So normally when we discuss about big gap ups, we say that a 3-minute pivot is crucial. So a 3-minute pivot, this was a 3-minute pivot, this was the breakout, and this is a valid 3-minute pivot. This is a consolidation, but this is a valid 3-minute pivot. उसके बाद this is a valid entry. This, because this stop loss is a bit tight, you can keep the stop loss here at this point. And if you see, by the end of the day, not 1:2 is achieved, but one can book at 1:1.5 odd. That is because the stop loss was a bit big due to the gap up. Now this was a valid setup, this was an easy day. After that day, normally what we expect is, if there is a big gap down and then a 3-minute pivot forms and then it breaks down, that is a valid setup for us because the earlier day was bullish. Or for a continuation day, we want this high to break convincingly, a 3-minute pivot and then another breakout. This is what we normally look at. तो आज कुछ हुआ है क्या वैसे? नहीं. Both the scenarios haven't happened based on yesterday. None of the situations have happened. A lot of money has been saved today in this sideways market. Now, what to expect for tomorrow? कल के लिए ना थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकता है, क्योंकि if you see, the market has gone up but it has given up most of the gains. There can be another day which is follow through, or there can be a day which breaks this 50 moving average. We should be ready for both the situations. First we'll discuss about the long situation. What we normally have to do is, जब pullback आता है, we have to take a retracement. Retracement के बाद we have to worry about this 50 and 61.8% level. If you've seen the earlier videos, you will understand कि हम लोग ऐसे ही ट्रेड करते हैं. So what we would want is price to go above the 50 or the 61.8, consolidate for some time and then break out. This consolidation is enough for going long because the overall trend is still bullish. शॉर्टिंग के लिए इट कुड बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. दैट मीन्स ये पूरा अप मूव है, ये फेल हो जाएगा. तो उसके लिए व्हाट वी वुड वांट इज, ऑन अ 3-minute वी वुड वांट टुडेज लो टू ब्रेक कन्विंसिंगली. उसके बाद एक 3-minute पिवट चाहिए एंड देन अ ब्रेक डाउन चाहिए, राइट. सो वी वांट अ 3-minute पिवट. इम्पॉर्टेंट, इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर शॉर्टिंग. A consolidation is enough for going long. ठीक है, these are the two scenarios. If none of this happens, we'll just wait. But overall, the market is very interestingly poised. ये breakout भी कर सकता है या breakout failure करके नीचे भी आ सकता है. We have to be ready for both. तो हम लोग ने दो situations डिस्कस किए हैं, एक bullish और एक bearish. And we are ready for both because both are very high probability situations. दोनों अच्छे ट्रेड बन सकते हैं, ठीक है. So now we just have to wait and watch. If none of the situations happen, we have to preserve our capital, and it has to be this simple always. चलो, bye, see you tomorrow.